Hey there creators, ready to take your brainstorming session to the next level? Whether you're working solo or with your team, I've got something that will make your ideas pop like never before. In this short tutorial, I will show you how you can brainstorm online with the digital whiteboard Collaboard. Adding ideas to the canvas is super easy and done via sticky notes. You find the sticky note tool here on the left side, and it's super easy. Just select the color, click on the canvas wherever you want, and your sticky note appears and is directly in edit mode, so you can start adding your ideas. When adding a lot of ideas to your canvas, it might make sense to use different colors. So you have the option to always change the color of the sticky notes afterwards, to cluster them or whatever. And that's super nice. You just do this here via the color palette. Now, the next feature I'm going to show you, it's really a game changer, especially when you brainstorm with your team. And this is about locking a sticky note so you prevent people from accidentally or on purpose change what you have written down. So this is it's easily done. Just click here on this extended menu, and now you have the option to lock a sticky note. If a sticky note is locked, nobody else can change it until it's unlocked again. Now, the idea of brainstorming is often to create as many ideas as possible. This is why we made it super easy to create ideas at light speed in Collaboard. And I will show you now how this is done. So let's add here now a new sticky note. And if you want to have another one just on the right side, we can just click on the tab key and it automatically creates a sticky note just next to the existing one. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to boost your productivity. Now go out there and create something amazing with Collaboard. Until next time, keep those ideas flowing.